What's going on, YouTube? Got another exciting video. I've been dying to do this. As you can see from the title, we are installing race mode. Yesterday I installed the SGW bypass switch, and I was going to do a video on how to do it, but I didn't because two things. I just didn't have the patience for it, and there's other videos out there that will show you how to do it. So I just figured, I knew it was going to be a pain, and it definitely was. Not gonna lie to you, absolutely sucked. And if you don't know what you're doing, you could, potentially damage, things. So I just went right into it yesterday. I got it. It was really, really challenging. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I mean, I don't have big hands and I don't have small hands, but from videos of what I've seen, it doesn't look that bad. And then when I was doing it, I was like, man, this is terrible. Like, my hands barely fit inside the cluster. To get a small socket wrench in there was kind of difficult, but we got it done, and now it's time to install race mode. So I'm going to show you what you need and how to do it. So I'm excited because I have a 2024 2.0, and the newer, I believe it was the 2023 or 2024 is when they introduced the digital cluster. So I'm kind of excited to see what graphics I'm going to get on the cluster, because I haven't seen anything out there on YouTube or the forums or anything on the graphics, only on just the QVs. So I'm excited. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you what you need. This is multi-ECU scan. You're going to need a Windows computer. Then you're going to need your OBD 2-port interface and the blue and gray cable. And then, of course, before any of this, you have to do the SGW bypass. So I'm going to show you where mine's located, because what I did was, again, there's going to be a lot of videos on the internet. You're going to want to go through the cluster. So once you free it up, I pretty much ran the wire down, and it's right here, as you can see. I put those yellow stickers on just so I didn't lose it, but that's as far as it comes down. And you could get extension cables. I actually did order extension cables, and they were supposed to come in, but they didn't. So I was impatient and I did it anyway. But it's in a good spot. It's literally right there. And then with the extension cables, I could pretty much get it closer to somewhere like over here. But again, that you have to do first. You have to install this bypass, or else none of this is going to work. So that's pretty much everything you need. And then, yeah, we'll get right into the first step. We did get race mode on my 2024 Stelvio. So as you guys know, the 2024 models have the digital cluster, and my biggest excitement was what the graphics were going to look like. And I was thinking, is it going to look like the Quadrifoglio? And it is. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. So right now I'm in A mode. I'll switch to normal. Dynamic. And if you hold it down, race mode. And as you can see, it's the Quadrifoglio graphics, which is pretty sick. So I'm pretty excited about it, pretty happy. But on some other news as well, I've been having some issues with it, where the check engine light and the start auto feature light have come on, and then it disables race mode and then puts me back in normal mode, and then I'm pretty much out of, and I can't put the car in any other mode, and then I have to pretty much clear the codes. So I'm thinking it's a battery issue. I'm hoping it's a battery issue. So I'm gonna upgrade the battery. I bought a Interstate MTX 49H8 battery, AMG. So hopefully that's the issue. If not, then I upgraded my battery, and it is what it is, and I'll figure it out and go from there. But yeah, guys, as you can see, we have race mode installed, and it's pretty sick. And I think I'm the first 2.0 with a 2024 on YouTube that has done this. So, because I haven't seen any videos on YouTube, so that's pretty cool. But as you can see, guys, we have race mode. I may in the future upgrade the switch just for aesthetics purposes, but you don't need to because it does work, as you can see. So again, we did it. It's a miracle, and I couldn't be any more happier. But appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, follow, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.